Hello students, welcome to Competitive Exam Library YouTube channel. Today we are going to see what are the different questions are asked in the BTU question papers, and I am going to solve the solutions of the module 1. So we will see the different problems what are asked in the previous papers. Let us start the video. So this is the first problem I have taken here. So here if you observe, first I will read the question. For the mechanical system shown in the figure, find the transfer function x2 of s divided by f of s. Okay, so for this type of problems, what you have to do, first you have to draw the mechanical network. So first I am drawing the mechanical network. So if you draw the mechanical network, how to draw the mechanical network is, so first you have to identify how many displacements are there, that many nodes you have to take. Here if you observe in the given problem, there are two displacements are there, one is x1, another is the x2. So that many nodes I have to take. So first I will take that nodes, so that is x1, here is x2. So if you observe here, for x1 and for x1 node, you have what are the elements are connected. If you observe clearly, there is m1 is connected, k1 is connected, b1 is connected, and f of t is also connected. So all the elements which are connected for x1 node, and they are connected to the reference. If you observe this, there is a one reference is also there. For that you have to connect. So we will take the force. First it is the force will be connected, then one mass is also connected, that mass I have connected like this. After that you will have spring constant will be there, that is one spring will be there. After that will be one damper coefficient will be there here. So these are the different elements are connected for x1 here. First these are the elements are connected for x1 to the reference point like this. So first one is f of t. So always you have to take the direction to be going inside of this node, you have to take. Okay, next it will be mass m1, next it is k1 will be there, next is b1 will be there. After that, between x1 and x2, if you observe, there are one spring constant will be there. So that is also you have to draw, that spring constant will be x2 here. The spring constant will be k2 here. Next, after that for x2 node you will have only one mass. Okay, so you have to connect only one mass. So this is the drawing of the mechanical network. So we have drawn the mechanical network. But he is not asked this, but the requirement answer is another thing. What is the requirement answer is, you require a transfer function. So transfer function is x2 of s divided by, so x2 of s divided by, so f of s. So that you have to identify. So for understanding purpose, just I have drawn the all the what are the mechanical network drawing. Okay, right, let us take the equations here. First we will write at node x1, we will write at node x1. So just I will take one line here. So we will write at node x1. So at node x1, what it will be there, so we have to take, so f of t will be there, we will write the mechanical equation. For that, m1 into d square x1 by dt square plus b1 into dx1 by dt plus k1 into x1. These are the elements are connected, but between x1 and x2 there is another element is also there, k2 will be there, that is k2 into x1 minus x2. This you have to take, that is the first equation. Next, second equation you can write at node x2. At node x2, what are the elements are connected? So there is a force will be 0. So at node x2, first I will take k2. K2 we can write as x2 minus x1 plus m2 will be there, that is d square x2 by dt square. So this is the second equation. What you have to do, the next step is take the Laplace transform of what all Laplace transform of equations 1 and 2. So you have to take the Laplace transform of equations 1 and 2. So if you take the Laplace transform, you will write this with another color. So f of s is equals to what we can write, m1 s square into x1 of s plus b1 into s into x1 of s plus k1 into x1 of s plus k2 into x1 of s minus x2 of s. So this is the equation number 3 you take. Next, for second equation, if you apply the Laplace transform, what will get, k2 into x2 of s minus x1 of s plus m2 into s square into x2 of s. So this is the equation number 4. 3 and 4 are the Laplace transform equations of the given one. So what is our target? So you have to eliminate this x1. So if you eliminate this x1 in the equation number 3, so if you convert that entire x1 equation into x2, then you are going to get the completely f of s in terms of x2 of s, then you can take that ratio. That is your target. So we have to convert. So let us take the equation number 4. So what we can write from equation number 4? So from equation number 4 we can do, so that is k2 plus m2 into s square x2 of s is equals to, we can write k2 into x1 of s. Is it right or not? So we can separate it, just have separated the x2 terms and x1 terms in the equation number 4. So what you are going to get, x1 of s is equals to, we can write as k2 plus m2 s square divided by k2 into x2 of s. We can write like this. So we got the equation. So you give the equation number 5. So substitute. So what you have to do is substitute equation 5 in equation 3. So you have to do, first we will separate f of s is equals to x1 terms. So x1 of s into, I am separating the x1 term. So what you are going to get here, m1 s square plus b1s plus k1 plus k2. So these are the x1 of s minus k2 into x2 of s. So you have to substitute in this equation. So in place of x1 you can substitute the equation number 5. So what you are going to get, if you substitute k2 plus m2 square plus divided by k2 into m1 s square plus b1s plus k1 plus k2 into x2 of s, I am writing here, minus k2 into x2 of s. So now entire the equation will be in terms of f of s and x2 of s. So take out x2 of s as common. So entirely if you take the x2 of s as a common, then you will get what we can write, if you simplify. So f of s is equals to, we can write it as, so take this LCM k2 also on this side. So you are going to get, directly I am writing k2 plus m2 s square into m1 s square plus b1s plus k1 plus k2 minus k2 square. So that is what you are going to get, divided by, whole divided by, you are going to get k2. So that is, you got one equation with x2s multiplication. But we want x2 of s divided by f of s. So let us write final equation, x2 of s divided by f of s is equals to, we can write as k2 divided by k2 plus m2 s square into mn s square plus b1s plus k2 plus k1 minus k2 square. So now you got this equation. So what the equation is asked? x2 of s divided by f of s. Like this you have to solve. The steps are common for any problem. Like this you have to solve. This is the model, we can call it as the transfer function model. So how to find the transfer function model is like this. You have to find the transfer function model. Right. Let us see the next problem. So this is another question is asked in the very latest paper. Find the transfer function for electromechanical system shown in figure 2a, that is x of s divided by e of s. So what is the input here? It is, that is e of t, and the expectation is the output is x of t. So what you can expect is, so whatever the given input will be divided by, so you know already the ratio of the output to input, we will call it as the Laplace transform of the, what the Laplace transform of the output divided by Laplace transform. So we can see this problem. So find the transfer function of this. So you have to take x of s divided by e of s. So once again see how to solve this problem. It is somewhat different question what it is asked. So what you have to do, first we will write the e of t equation. So we can write first e of t equation. So e of t equation will be what we can write, there are r into I of t will be there plus L into di of t by dt plus there are back EMF is also there, that is EB of t. This is the equation number 1. See, whenever you are applied this back EMF only, you are expecting this displacement. So what we can write, so EB of t will be proportional to x of t. So EB of t will be proportional to x of t. So for simplification, just I am writing EB as kb into dx of t by dt. So it is normally this equation. So you take this equation number 2. So normally this equation will be given in the problem itself, but in this question it is not given. So EB will be is equals to kb into dx by dt. There is a displacement, sorry, here also dx of t by dt. So displacement is proportional to dx of dt by, so to remove that proportionality constant we have taken some constant kb. So for the above equation, if you take the Laplace transform, what you are going to get, so EB of s is equals to kb into s into x of s, kb into x of s. So you take this equation number 3. So and if you apply how the force on this mechanical system, so how much of current is flowing, depending upon that the force will be depends upon that. So this mechanical gear system is working on that, how much of current is flowing through this coil. So the force which is applied on this mass as well as the spring constant and the damping constant will depends upon what, so whatever the current it is flowing. So we can write it as, so mechanical f of t is proportional to, we can write it as proportional to I of t. So f of t we can write as k1 into I of t. So this is take equation number 4. For this, if you take the Laplace transform, you will get it as k1 into I of s. So this is the equation number 5 we will take. Now let us write the force equation. What is the force equation? So force equation, f of t will be, for this force will have one mass will be there. So m1 into, m into, we can write m simply dt square, no need of this m1 all those things because only one mass. So m plus we can write b into dx by dt plus k1, spring constant k. So this is the equation number 6. So for this, if you take the Laplace transform, what you are going to get, f of s is equals to m s square x of s plus b into s into x of s plus k into x of s. Here x is also there. So this is the equation number 7. So we want to find what is the ratio of this x of s divided by e of s. So if you observe here, that means f of s is not necessary. So you got one equation for f of s is also, what is the equation you got? F of s will be k1 into I of s. So what you have to do? Substitute equation 5 in equation 7. So what you are going to get? K1 into I of s is equals to, we can write as m into s square x of s plus bs x of s plus k into x of s. So this is the equation we got. Another thing, if you observe here, we want to find x of s. So if you observe here, ms square plus bs plus k, I can take it out as x of s. So this x of s is also will be there. So what we can write, the I of s can be written as divided by k1. So you take this equation number 8. So if you observe here, if you write that equation 8, so what it will be, you have to substitute this equation where it is. So if you take the Laplace transform of this first equation, let us write the first equation Laplace transform. So if you write the first equation Laplace transform of equation 1. So if you write the Laplace transform of equation what you are going to get, E of s is equals to r into I of s plus Ls into I of s plus Eb of s. So if you substitute Eb of s, that is equation 3 in equation 1. So if you take I of s plus Ls into I of s plus Eb of s can be written as Kb into s into x of s, Eb into k into x of s. So if you substitute in place of I of s, so what you are going to get, E of s is equals to, we can write I of s into r plus Ls plus kbs into x of s. So we can write in place of I of s, we can write what we can write in place of I of s, we can write that as, so this equation, that means just I am writing substitute equation 8 in the above equation. So if you substitute equation 8 in the above equation, what you are going to get? So E of s into, in place of I of s, we can write ms square plus bs plus k divided by k1 into x of s r plus Ls plus kbs into x of s. Now entire equation will be terms in terms of E of s and x of s. So take out E of s on the right hand side, sorry, x of s. So x of s, if you take out the common, what you are going to get, ms square plus bs plus k into r plus Ls plus what you are going to get, k1 kbs divided by whole divided by k1, we are going to get like this. So now I want the ratio of x of s divided by E of s. So what you are going to get, that is k1 divided by ms square plus bs plus k into r plus Ls plus k1 kbs. So this is the entire coefficient what you are going to get. So this is the ratio of the equation we are going to get the transfer function. Like this you can do this problem.